Hey guys, welcome to another macOS tutorial. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to make Google Chrome the default browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. To make Google Chrome the default browser, first of all, you have to install Google Chrome browser on your Mac device. So I already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. After that, simply open System Settings. Here click on Desktop and Dock option and navigate to the Widgets section. And here you find Default Web Browser option. Simply click on the drop-down icon and select Google Chrome. There is also another method. For that, simply open Chrome browser, click on three-dot icon, then click on Settings. Now here click on Default Browser option and here click on Make Default. You will get this kind of prompt. Here simply click on Use Chrome. This will make Google Chrome the default browser on your macOS. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more macOS related videos. Bye for now. See you next video.